Welcome to Tafe New South Wales Western Sydney Region Floristry. My name's David Berger and I'm going to show you a technique that we spoke about earlier in the step-to-step construction videos of these designs. I'm going to show you how I spun the aluminium wire to mount these baubles on. I've got 3 pieces of wire. Ideally, you need different coloured wires, but you can do it with the same wire. The good thing about the different colours is that it spins a little bit like a candy cane, which is very suitable for festive arrangements or Christmas. What I've done is just opened the mouth of the drill and place the 3 wires into the drill. I'm going to get some flat nose pliers and just hold the other end of the wires. And then I just want to twist the drill, not too fast, just at a gentle sort of even pace. And you will see that all the wire twists together in a very uniform way. I can then just release the end of the mouth of the drill, and there we have the twisted wire that I've used to mount these baubles into the arrangement. This is a little technique that you can use with the aluminium wire. It changes the density of the wire so it actually becomes quite firm, still malleable. You can still bend it into circles or whatever you need, but it does add a lot of strength if you want to mount something on it or use it as a decorative element in your arrangements. So a design and technique tip from Tafe New South Wales Western Sydney Region Floristry.